everyone, think about the last advertisement that caught your eye. Chances are it used striking visuals and strong branding to grab your attention. In the same way, incorporating visuals and branding into job circulars can make them more appealing and memorable to potential candidates. Let's learn how to effectively use visuals and branding elements to enhance your job circulars. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the importance of using visuals and branding elements in job circulars. Learn the types of visuals and branding elements that can be used. Gain strategies for effectively incorporating these elements into job circulars. Using visuals and branding elements in job circulars is important for several reasons. Enhances appeal. Visual elements make the job circular more attractive and engaging. Reinforces brand identity. Consistent branding helps candidates recognize and remember your company. A job circular that includes the company logo and brand colors is more likely to catch a candidate's eye than a plain text document. Including the company logo at the top of the job circular reinforces brand identity and adds a professional touch. Place the logo in the header along with the company name and tagline. Use the company's brand colors throughout the job circular to create a cohesive and visually appealing design. Use brand colors for headings, bullet points, images, and borders. Incorporate relevant images and icons to break up text and illustrate key points. This can include photos of the office or products. Use icons to represent sections like responsibilities and benefits. Use fonts and typography that align with the company's branding. Consistent use of fonts enhances readability and reinforces brand identity. Use the company's standard fonts for headings and body text. Incorporate design elements like lines, shapes, and dividers to organize content and enhance visual appeal. For example, use horizontal lines to separate sections and create a clean layout. Maintain consistency with the company's overall branding. Use the same colors, styles as other company materials. If the company's website uses blue and white as primary colors, incorporate these colors into job circular. Ensure that all images used are high quality and relevant to the content. Poor quality images can detract from the professionalism of the job circular. Use professional photos of the office or team rather than stock images. Ensure that the visuals and branding elements align with the content and purpose of the job circular. They should enhance, not distract from the information being conveyed. For example, use a graph or chart to visually represent key statistics or metrics related to the job. Create a job circular for a hypothetical position using the visual and branding elements discussed today. Review 3 job circulars from different companies and evaluate their use of visuals and branding. Suggest improvements based on today's lecture. For further reading, I suggest Designing Brand Identity, an essential guide for the whole branding team by Elena Wheeler. Using visuals and branding elements is essential for creating job circulars that are both attractive and functional. You can easily create job circulars that capture attention and convey information effectively, and then witness the change in the number of applicants to the role you're advertising.